Hi, I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. Today I'm here at the Spaulding Brick Company in Massachusetts. And the reason I'm here, I want to share with you why bricks that are made with clay are one of my favorite building materials. They should be on your radar. And don't forget to look down in the description. There are going to be a lot of links for you there. And remember, smash that subscribe and like button. I'd really appreciate it. Clay brick don't fade in color like concrete pavers do. Clay brick don't require the routine and expensive application of sealers. Clay paving brick like this are so strong and durable they can be used to create roadways that support heavy traffic, and they'll last 100 years or more. Travel to Athens, Ohio, go downtown, you'll see brick that were made over 100 years ago that are still in use. And brick like this, they were used down in Florida to create the old brick road that was made over 100 years ago. De-icing salt will not harm clay paving brick, and they're DIY friendly. You'll discover brick creates timeless beauty and it will enhance your property value. I wanted to share with you why you need to come to a business like Spaulding Brick Company. They have a vast variety of brick, more than you could ever imagine. So if you're doing a restoration project, maybe rebuilding a chimney, maybe it's a new patio, maybe it's an entire brick new home, or even a room addition, there's a really good chance you're going to find exactly what you need at a brickyard and not at one of the big box stores that might only have 6 or 10 brick. You're going to find hundreds and thousands of brick at a brickyard. Bricks are so strong and durable, it can be used indoors and outdoors for sidewalks, driveways, and roads. I decided to use clay brick on my own patios at my houses because they're 100% maintenance free and they're so durable. My college degree, it's in geology, and one of the things I really like about clay paving brick, guess what? They're made from abundant natural resources of clay, and they're 100% recyclable. I've used brick for years on my projects, and the reason why? Because they're available in such a wide variety of colors, sizes, and patterns. And if you can dream it, you can usually build it with brick, and it's going to last for a very long time. Oh, one other thing. If you're building here in the Northeast, you probably ought to consider getting some from Spaulding Brick Company, and maybe, just maybe, you'll get a cool hat like this. I'm Tim Carter, AskTheBuilder.com. If you want to discover more home improvement tips, go to AskTheBuilder.com.